Tux. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, sweetheart. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. Good morning. Hi, guys. Oh, I saw that hornet come in, Morris. I'm sorry. And they're active early this morning. Hi, Stripe. Uh-oh. Panther's not up on the porch this morning. I assume he's down there hiding in the ferns somewhere. Somebody must have given him a hard time last night. Darn. The cats do still hang out over there on the carpeted area a lot. And Panther's here now, eating, and seems okay. He was over in the woods that way. I don't know why. But he's here now, and he seems his normal self. Don parked Jules in the shade this morning. Well, I guess technically over here it's in the shade too, but not for the full walk. By the time we come back, it's always in the sun.
It was for my wife, but it turned out to be my dog, and she's a dipstick.
Yeah, a guy was wrestling his German Shepherd into the little red car. He or she was giving him quite a bit of trouble. And he's had her for a walk, and she's still ready to go. I've seen him working with her inside the ball fields and stuff, trying to train her, and I think it's a she. She's pretty stubborn. That's what happens with those smart dogs. Oh wow, Donnie, I feel the sun on my neck already. Yeah, Don gave up coffee and paper so we could get out here as early as possible, because it's supposed to be 95 or better today, and it's going to be a scorcher. So you ran yesterday?
I did.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
He was a good boy. Just because I wasn't here to exercise, he got out and...
Well, you were out there swimming around acting like a fish, and that's great exercise. So I said, well, I got no excuse. I had an opportunity, so I took it.
Yeah, we'll grab that trash on the way back toward the trash can. We were in the wave pool quite a bit yesterday, and there's no standing still in the wave pool. And I was in probably in the 4 foot, you know, it was basically up just below my chin, and when the waves would come and go, you'd be treading water for a little bit, and it'd suck you out, and you'd have to move back to where you could stand, and it was a little bit of exercise. I can't say that I'm feeling it any today though, so that's good.
I found a half of a gun wrapper, and then I found the other half.
We've actually passed quite a few people on the trail this morning. Don't let it fool you. It's pretty darn stinking humid and miserable out here, except right in the shade. Feels kind of okay in the shade, a little breeze. You guys know, no way was I going 3 days without my walk, even if I did have plenty of exercise yesterday. My watch doesn't know about it. Does it really count if my watch doesn't know?
That's right, it doesn't count unless your watch knows.
It probably counts, but...
Nah.
They are obviously headed to the splash pad. That's awesome. They're so cute. Well, they've taken the cherry picker away. You know, they top this other fenced area with the yellow stuff. And it looks to me like everything is done except for the gates, which you would think they would be able to just build and install. Who knows? Maybe they decided they're not going to put a gate this time. I mean, I don't actually understand why they had it locked, what the importance of that was, that only the mower can get in there, because down at the other end it's open all the time. But I guess we'll see if they come put gates on. Well, this is 2 times around, 1 more to go. We should be here long enough maybe to see the splash pad open. It'll be close. It's gonna be a busy day over there, I just know it. Weekend and hot. We're still in the sun.
Yeah.
Don says tomorrow he's going to try that spot up there. When we got back from our walk, Don and I watered. I'll do over here tomorrow, down that side, everything that needs it if we're not looking like rain. But they get more shade and more stuff over there in the ground. It's mostly all these pots that need so much water. But I'm good for today. You gonna come get some attention? I'm gonna cool off for a minute. I got a free hand. Hey buddy, he moved because I accidentally sprinkled him a little bit. It really wasn't on purpose. I didn't see him on the other side of the pot, and that was my phone. It just clunked a little bit. You're good. You're good, buddy. It's 3 p.m. and 95 degrees. I thought I'd come out and check on my kitties. Tux is happy here under the bench. I saw Martman walk by a minute ago. I think he's a little bummed he can't get in his chair because it's in the sun. I see Stripe came out from underneath my van, and there's Marty. You gonna come up in the chair to say hello even if you can't stay in the chair? Hi. Hello, Marty. Mart. Come on, Mart. Mart. Come on, Marty. Come on. Good boy. I'm sorry your chair isn't in the bestest of spots with the sun. I am. There's a good boy. I'm just coming out to check on you guys. I got fresh water in all of the spots, so yeah, Johnny, he's the luckiest person in the entire house. He has his own personal air conditioner because of the door shut. He's on, you know, with friends a lot for the sound and also the equipment in there. It's just little room. He has his own personal unit. Hi, Stripey. Hi. Hello. I'm just making sure my kitties are doing good. I saw Morris cross by the back of the house a while ago, too. Well, after 2 days at the water park and it being 95 outside, we're just kind of sitting on the couch watching YouTubes today. Just relaxing. We are. And
actually, it's 96 now.
I understand. I lasted outside a few minutes. I loved on the kitties, checked on them, and came right back in the house.
Right.
And Don's got nachos he's pretty happy about.
Yeah, well, we share. This is not all for me.
Right, I'll have a sixth of it. Yeah. We got rain, Donnie. We got rain. I watered and it worked.
Yeah.
How much did we get?
Almost 3/4, about 7/10 or so.
Yay! And it's not quite done, but it is tapering off now. I won't have to water tomorrow. I was going to have to do like in that direction tomorrow. So,
yeah, so
yay!
Getting a break from all that. Then, yeah.
Family entertainment tonight. A little Forbidden Planet.